So embedded engineers have always felt the need for an Ethernet device that can support open source with the ability to connect to UART, I2C, CAN, ADC, DAC, and RS-485 from Linux or Windows PC or any operating system really. So we started designing this board 3 years ago to ensure simple, fast, and customizable tool that can access TTL URT, RS-485, ADC, DAC, CAN, and I2C from your personal computer. So what we do is we provide libraries so the user can create their own application, and we provided open source hyperterminal application Qt and WPF. So we'll show an example of how Hyperterminal will remotely log into Raspberry Pi Zero and BeagleBone Black. So you can access TTL serial output from anywhere on the same network where this device is connected. And user can talk to multiple devices as well. So let's start one simple case where we're going to attach Raspberry Pi and BeagleBone Black login using open source Hyperterminal. So now a loop back of Hyperterminal. Also, we will test ADC and DAC, and here we're going to start the PC application on Windows, and one system with Windows and the other with Linux.
So right now I have 2 Ethernet bridge boards and 1 BeagleBone Black. The BeagleBone Black serial terminal and Ethernet bridge are connected with a 6-pin ribbon cable, and BeagleBone Black is just powered on. Each Ethernet bridge has 2 TTL and 1 RS-485 UART port. So the setup is on Windows, where we're going to start the Ethernet terminal. So the Qt application will locate devices on local networks by using recurring broadcast packets and populate lists of available devices on the combo box. So right now we're going to use the BeagleBone connected device, and here you can see serial port output of the BeagleBone Black device. So here we're going to log in with our credentials on the serial port, and here is our dollar prompt on the BeagleBone Black. So the UDP protocol is very reliable, and we have put many years in time in developing this bidirectional UDP protocol over Ethernet. We have also tested Raspberry Pi Zero board with BeagleBone Black. Using the pull-down menu, the user can select individual devices. This is a multi-platform, so now we are about to do the same on Ubuntu 64 Linux. Now let's start this cross-platform bridge app. As you can see, because we already logged in on the terminal, you are seeing the login prompt. Now logging out, you can see the banner. So we plan to provide NRF2401 module interface so users can communicate to NRF2401 module over the Ethernet, 2 Ethernet bridges, and 2 NRF401 modules needed to communicate to establish a two-way NRF2401 communication. So please refer to the PowerPoint presentation on the GitHub repository for documentation. And feel free to contact us for questions or concerns. Our email is support@iwscope.com. Thank you for watching this video.